Hello, dear Virgos. A very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading from 20th of June till 30th of June. Keep this in mind as these are journal love readings. This might or might not resonate with you. Okay, and the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, if I'm telling you that this is your story, this could be your partner's story. So if I'm telling you this is your partner's story, this could be your story. Okay, so let's start. So, Virgos. I hope I said Virgo only at the start, yeah? So, Virgo, let's start. Virgo, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, your partner's current energy right now is King of Cups. So I feel like this person is deeply in love with something or someone, and this person is feeling deep connections with their emotions. And I feel like this person is emotionally stable. It's not like kind of stupid emotions or childish emotions or kiddish emotions, but these are very mature emotions, and these are emotional stability emotions. This is what their current energy is. Deeply in love. Okay, let's clarify further their current energy. Let's clarify further. King of Cups is clarified by the King of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, and the Knight of Pentacles. So I feel like this person is deeply in love with you, and this person wants to have equal give and take in this whole environment, in this whole relationship. And they are slow to reach you. Okay, although they are feeling lots of emotions for you, although they are feeling lots of love for you, and they are feeling like there should be equal give and take in energy. Okay, there might be they want to gift you something, they want to offer you something, but not a physical gift, but an offer of friendship or love or some kind of committed connection. So I feel like although they are very loyal, although they are coming in with a very committed energy, they are very slow. They are taking baby steps. This is what they are doing right now. Okay, so I feel like this person is completely in love with you. They are thinking about you 24 into 7, but they are very slow to move move their ass and come towards you. This is the situation here. Okay, let's see, Virgos, what's your current energy? Virgos, your current energy right now is, Virgos, your current energy right now is, let's see. Page of Cups. Okay, I feel like you are developing some kind of new feelings for someone, or you got a good news this week. Might be just got a good news, or if not yet, you will receive a good news from someone, and that's this good news is going to make you really happy. Or if you're female and you are married, I feel like you will conceive a child, or you are going to get pregnant, or might be you're going to get some kind of pregnancy news from someone. Might be surrounding you, or might be around you, and that's going to make you really happy. Okay, but this is somewhat a good news, and you might be developing new feelings for someone. Let's see, these are new emotions. These are unstable emotions, not stable at all. These are overwhelming to you. Okay, sometimes they are developing very beautifully, sometimes they are irritating you. This is the situation here, Virgo. Let's clarify. This is the Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, the Ten of Cups. I feel like you are in this self-deceptive mode right now. Okay, you are lying to yourself that you don't need this person, you don't love this person. You are in mental conflict right now. You are in some kind of mental jail right now, and you are not, coming out of the situation anytime soon. Okay, you are, after coming out of the situation, you can easily come out of this situation of mental conflict or mental jail. See, this person, he or she can come out of this situation very easily, but I don't feel like you are going to do that anytime soon. But if you will be able to do this situation, you are going to be happy, really happy. And if you are going to be really happy, that's going to make you really happy. Okay, that's going to. I feel like now there is some kind of good news coming in towards you regarding your family life. Or yes, I told you everything. Like might be you are developing some kind of new feelings for somebody, or this kind there is some kind of good news coming in towards you from your family side. Okay, this is your current energy, Virgos. Okay, let's see your partner's feelings for you. What your partner is feeling for you right now? Give me a second. What this person is feeling for you right now, Virgos. Let's see. Your partner's feelings for you right now are, Virgo. your partner's feelings for you right now. Your partner's feelings for you right now. Six of Swords. So I feel like this person is moving towards, this person feels like this relationship is moving towards a better phase, a calmer phase. And I feel like this person right now, might be you guys are not talking to each other because these persons are not facing each other, are not seeing each other eye to eye. But these people are still together. Okay. So I feel like you people are together, you people are connected to each other, but you are not seeing each other eye to eye. But there is some kind of baggage, some kind of past baggage that you guys are carrying with each other. And I feel like this relationship is moving towards a calmer phase. At least they are feeling like this, that this relationship is, moving towards a beautiful phase, peaceful phase. Or it could also mean that they are feeling like there should be a peaceful resolution in this connection, because things are not that much good as they were in the past. Let's clarify. Two of cups, the Queen of Wands, the Tower. Yes, I feel like this person definitely wants this, definitely is feeling like there should be a peaceful resolution, because they feel like you are their soulmate. They still carry lots of emotions for you, love emotions for you. But this is the Two of Cups. So I feel like sometimes they are very, very stable, that yes, they love you. But sometimes they feel like no, they don't. This is the situation here. But whether they love you or not emotionally, they are very, very passionate about you, very passionate about you, somewhat obsessive about you. Whenever somebody else is trying to come towards you or come close to you, they are going to be really jealous and obsessive. This is the situation, and this is some kind of realization. This is some kind of, breakup that happened between you guys, and that's why this person wants to resolve this situation. That's why this person wants to have a peaceful resolution. This is their feelings for you. Okay. There's a bug here, there's a bug here. Oh. Let's see what this person wants from you, Virgos. Let's see what this person wants from you, Virgos. Let's see. Nine of Pentacles. So I feel like for the time being, this person wants you to look good, to feel good, to work on yourself, to work on your pentacles. I mean, to work on your materialistic thing, work on your business, work on your job, work on your self-care, work on your self-healing. So this person basically wants you to work on yourself, be happy, be independent, and just don't look for any partner right now. To be single. This person wants you to be single and not ready to mingle with anybody else, but there might be. But they feel like you should be single, you should be happy, you should look good, you should work on yourself. This is the situation here. Let's clarify further the Nine of Pentacles. Six of Swords, Two of Wands, Nine of Swords. Okay, this person wants you to wait for them. Okay, so this is the situation here. This person wants you to be single and not ready to mingle with anybody else, because they want you to wait for them, because they are very stressed over you. Okay, let me make a fan. Yeah, this is my fan. So yeah, this person wants you to have a calmer phase, to calm down, to resolve the issues between you guys, because this person wants you to wait for them. This person don't want you to go with anybody else and sleep with somebody else basically. And this person is very, very stressed, very, very stressed over you. This person is losing their mind, losing their sleep over you. So that's why they want you to be happy and independent, and don't mingle till you get them back, till they come back to you. Oops, yeah. Okay, got it. So let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June, Virgos. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. 30th. Yeah. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June, Virgos. Nine of Wands. Okay, so yeah, they are moving in slowly towards this connection. They want you to be, single for the time being, because they want time to come towards you. I feel like this person is deeply hurt, and emotionally off. I feel like this person is going to make you feel like they're emotionally off, they're emotionally detached, because they are deeply hurt. Right now, they're deeply hurt. They are standing their ground. Still, they're standing their ground. Still, they're hoping that everything is going to be fine between you guys someday. That's why I feel like there's silent treatment coming in towards you for the time being from this person. Okay, because they are emotionally very, very hurt, and they are detached, they are pulling their walls high, that so that no one can hurt them again. Right now this is the situation, but deep inside this person loves you and dying for you. Okay, Page of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, two swords, two queens here. So for some of you, I feel like this person is leaving somebody else to come towards you, leaving somebody else to be with you. And for others of you, I feel like this person wants you to grow. This person wants to grow old with you, because this is the situation. They want to start this connection with a simple friendship. Then they want to mature this friendship and make this friendship more and more mature. And then they want to be very clear and honest about their intentions regarding this connection. Okay, this is the story here. And for some of you, I feel like this person wants you to offer something stable, offer a friendship, offer a love offer, might be. And I feel like this person is taking their time because they are deeply hurt by somebody else in their life. Might be a third party situation here. I don't get the much of the third party situation in the whole reading, but the outcome is telling me that there are two people involved in this equation, and that's why they are hurt, and that's why they are not able to come towards you right now. That's why they want to take time. Okay, so you know better what's the condition. Let me know in the comment section below what is the condition and what the hell is going on between you guys. Okay, so thank you so much, Virgos, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you so much.